Andy, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title, today's video is going to be a room tour. I get a lot of questions just on like where I get little things in my room, like this thing, my like mirrors and stuff like that. So I just thought I would give you guys like a full room tour so you can see everything that I have in my room. It's a pretty minimalist like kind of room. I don't know, I don't really like a whole lot of stuff everywhere, so I kind of just limited everything that I have like on my walls and stuff like that. I really like it. It's not for everyone, but I love it. A lot of these ideas did come from Pinterest, so if you are looking at like wanting to redo your room or anything like that, I definitely recommend Pinterest. They have literally everything you could ever want. I just looked up like white minimalist rooms and I found like a whole bunch of different stuff. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so right when you walk into my room, I have like this lamp, and then I have my dresser. This lamp I believe is from Target, and then I just have like some hats on there, some medals. I keep my tripod back there, and then I have a little plant right here. Okay, then this is like my favorite part of my room. I have this Vogue poster that I got when I went to Paris, and then I have this mirror, hi guys, and then I have this other Vogue poster. Okay, here is the other side to my dresser. So right here I just have lotion, this stuff is for my hair, and then in these two things are just like random stuff, like there's like pens in here, and then in here I have lotion, tea tree oil, and then like contact solution. And then I have this thing, I believe this is from Target. I just have clear hair ties in here, like the bigger hair ties in here. I have makeup remover wipes in here, and then down here I just have like a bunch of stuff for my hair. I have mascara, lotion, chapstick. And then right here is just more hair stuff. I have 2 hairsprays. I have dry shampoo, more moisturizer. This is coconut oil or something like that. I really have no idea. And then I have this witch hazel toner stuff. Down here I just have a bin from Target, and it just has like random like hot tools in it, like my curling irons. My straightener usually goes down there. Just like random stuff in there. This is my other mirror. It's a full body mirror. I really have no idea where I got this, so sorry about that. Up here I have these 2 little like hanging plant things. I got the macrame stuff from Amazon, and then the pots I think are from Amazon, and then there's like rocks, and then the plants are fake, and those are I think from Hobby Lobby, and then we just made these and then we hung them up. Okay, so this is my dresser. I really have no idea where this is from. I've had this since I was in like 6th grade, so I have no idea. It did come with a mirror, I know that, but I took the mirror off to do like this fun situation. This mirror is from IKEA, and then the posters are both from when I went to France, and then we just put them in picture frames and hung them up. Okay, so over here is my bed and my nightstand. I got my nightstand the same time I got my dresser, so I really have no idea where that's from. My comforter is from Target. I don't know where that stuff is from. I think that body pillow is from Target, and then my weighted blanket is from Amazon. So on my nightstand I have my TV remote, my MacBook, my keys, my glasses. This is like a noisemaker thingy, like to help you fall asleep. I really love it. I got it off Amazon. It's really great. And then this cool lamp I got from IKEA, and you have to like put it together. It's really cool. I really like it. The only thing is, it took like 20 years to put this thing together. It literally took my mom and I like an hour and a half to figure out how to put it together, but I think it looks really cool now that it's all put together, and it's a really bright lamp. I get a lot of questions on this, and I actually made this. So I got everything from Hobby Lobby. So this is all just like different fabrics. I got them pretty long, and then those are lights, and then I got like rope, I guess. I don't remember what it's called actually, but I just tied all of those on there. My friend and I did this. It took us like an hour and a half to make, and I love it so much. It looks so cute in my room. It was really easy to make, and it just adds so much, I feel like. Okay, so this is my desk. This chair, I'm pretty sure it's from IKEA, and then I have a blanket on there. The desk I want to say is from IKEA, but I'm not 100% sure. So on my desk I have just a speaker right here, and then a salt lamp that the bulb is out, and I don't know where to buy a bulb for it, so it's just gonna stay out for right now. I have another like poster thing. I didn't know where to hang it, so I just put it there. It's not really doing anything. I have my Xbox right here, and then I have this thing. The cords really bother me, but I really don't think they're just, you know, I don't know what to do with them. I have this book that I also bought from France, and then I just have a mirror. Okay, so this is my closet. On the outside of my closet, I just have like jackets and hats hanging up. These are just like the jackets and stuff that I wear the most, so they're just hanging outside my door. Okay, so I have all my shirts and like sweaters and stuff that I wear like a lot right here. They're in color order. And then on this side, I just have a bunch of sweatshirts. They're kind of in color order. I don't really know. And then I have some jeans that I wear often. And then I have the Alex 9 drawers from IKEA. I feel like every girl like has these. Like every girl like thought she was gonna be like some beauty guru. But on top of this, I have like wrinkle spray. I have some candles because I don't really burn candles that much. I have this Louis Vuitton bag, and then this cute little thing I can put on my door when I'm taking a nap. So in the Alex drawers, I pretty much just have like random junk in there. This bottom drawer is all swimsuits, and it's literally filled to the top. It literally doesn't even shut. So there's just like random stuff from when I was in dance and just other like little knickknacks in there. Okay, so in between my bedroom door and then my closet door, my mom hung this up. It says confidence is the new black. I really don't know where she got this, but I think it's really cute because I have some black accents in my room and it just matches them, and I really like it. This is my clothes hamper. I really don't know where I got this. I'm pretty sure I got it from Target, but it also could be from Walmart. I really have no idea. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. It is a pretty minimalist room. I don't have like that many decorations or anything like that. I'm just not really like a fan of like everything on your walls, like so much stuff on your walls. I just kind of like just like some stuff here and there. Most of my ideas did come from Pinterest, so if you guys want any, you know, room ideas, Pinterest is definitely a great place to look because they have some of the cutest ideas ever. I actually got like the mirror idea off of Pinterest, and I think it's so cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more of me, I upload on Sundays and Wednesdays, so feel free to subscribe so you can be notified when I upload. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't